Okay, let's take a look right here. One of the ways to know what the supply and demand is in the US is to look at this chart. This chart's very, very good. So what you see is you see a gray band. And what the gray band is, it shows the range of crude oil inventories over the last year. So the top of the band was when we had lots of oil, and the bottom of the band is when we had little oil, and this is oil stocks or oil inventories. The light blue line shows where we are right now. Basically in the middle. So in other words, supplies are adequate, not excessive, not tight, which means prices should stay about where they are right now. Let's take a look at it in a different way. So this chart shows the total number of barrels. This shows days of supply. This is actually a better way to look at inventories of raw materials. So given the current demand, how many days of supply do we have? So the brown line is 2019 to 2020, and the blue line is 2020 to 2021. So you can see the tail end, obviously you can see the COVID crash, it's blah, blah, blah. Okay, here's the point. If we look at the blue line, which is current conditions, we're actually really tight. We're down near the lows of days of supply. We have 32 days supply of oil. So that's bullish for the price of oil. I mean, we're not wildly bullish, but days of supply tells us, given current demand, how much supply do we have? And the answer is low supply. So as a result, this is a bit bullish. Not wildly bullish, but still bullish. So let's put this together now. Let's go back to, I'll get to my scenario in a minute. All right. Here's futures prices. The brown line was last year and the blue line is this year. So clearly we had the big COVID crash in crude oil. Yes, we made a tremendous amount of money on that. And the blue line shows a pretty consistent bull market in crude oil futures.